Hi cousins, it's your cousin Angela, honey. Listen, so we're going to fix us a quick little snack, honey, and we're going to make us some french fries. And we're going to cook them in our Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 XL grill, okay? So I'm going to bring you guys on over here. Now we're just fixing some crinkle cut french fries that I got from down at the GFS. I'll show you what they are. Let me get you. So we just got us some crinkle cut french fries. That's all. From down at GFS, which is Gordon Food Service, okay? All right? So listen, this is what we're going to do. We got our EVO bottle. Okay, we got our EVO bottle. And what I have in here is the avocado oil. Okay, I got to be very careful, honey. Because y'all seen me trying to use this online yesterday. And the daggone base is not, you know, the bottom rib here is not secure as it should be for one of these type of bottles. So, honey, listen, it don't look like the grip is on it too well. These bottles, you got to work with them, honey. You got to work with these bottles. You have to be very careful to make sure it's gripping when you turn it on. I mean, when you're putting it on and you're twisting the cap on, you have to make sure. And even though you're making sure it's aligning the right way, honey, you still just got to hold it. And I should have done that yesterday. So let me make sure I got it on tight. And I had it on tight yesterday. My husband had it on tight. But anyway, child. So we're going to use our EVO bottle to spray our fries. So we're going to air crisp these in the air crisp basket. I'm going to show you what the basket looks like. This is the basket, okay? And I'm going to do a video showing people how to clean the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 XL. It's so simple, so easy. I found a solution that will make your thing look like new. You got to excuse mine at the top when you see my video because I haven't cleaned it on the inside, but I'll get it done. Now, this is the base pan that comes with it. I've made cookies in it. I've cooked this in. I've cooked everything. Sausage, scrambled eggs. I did everything in mine. Everything. So what I do to cook is I put me, you know, my favorite cousin, honey, Reynolds Wrap non-stick, heavy duty. I always align mine with foil. Always. And that way it's easy cleanup, easy process, right? So I put it in the base where it aligns. Excuse me for the noise. And then I just put my air fryer basket. So we got our avocado oil in here. And that's what we use, our little spray bottle. You're going to spray your french fries. I'll walk you through the process. And then when our fries get done, I put it on before and after. Gives it such a great flavor. Before and after. I put my fries in my air crisp basket. I spray my avocado oil on it. I put a little bit of this on it. And then when I get done, I put a little bit more of this on it, honey. Family loves it. It's good. So what we're going to do, I'm going to bring you on over to my house, honey. Here we go. Let's start the process. Let's see if you guys can see. Let me see if I can bring it down a little bit more. I'm not sure. I'm trying to get it down as much as I can. So we're going to close the basket. I'm going to plug it up. Okay. And so I'm going to turn it around so you guys can get a good read if you can. All right, cool. So we plug it up. We're going to press the power button. Okay. We're cooking french fries, like I said. All right. Y'all got to excuse that. And then we're going to push the air crisp basket. I mean, the air crisp button. I'm sorry, not basket, button. So we got it on air crisp, and I'm going to take it down to 375, and I'm going to crank it up for 26 minutes and push the start button, okay? So what happened now is you're going to see these lines go across. And when it reaches 8 full lines across the top, it will appear on here, says add food. As soon as it appears, it's going to indicate to us add food. At that time, we'll lift our Ninja Foodi cover. Oh, you guys can't see me. We'll lift the cover. And then when we lift the cover, we'll go ahead and add our fries and spray our fries with our avocado oil. And then add a little bit of sea salt. And then we close the top and let it cook for its desired time. Okay? So we're just going to wait until this gets hot. And it will indicate to us when it's time to add the food. So I'm going to put you back down so that you can see when it's time to add the food, okay? It'll display on the unit, okay? Push this back a little bit so you can see it. One thing they tell you when you buy these, you're reading the handbook, it tells you to keep far away from the outlet on your walls, okay? far away. You cannot have this bad boy close to an outlet. It tells you. Okay, so I'm just putting it right there where you guys can see it. My sister cousin Yolanda in Atlanta, she just brought one, and oh my God, I was so happy when she told me. I was so happy. I know there are a lot of other people out here who have Ninja Foodi XLs, and I just want to be able to share with you our recipes. Let me tell you what my favorite is. My favorite is baking in here. My favorite is, I used to fry bacon on top of the stove and things like that. I no longer fry bacon on top of the stove anymore. Everything I do is in this Ninja Foodi. It's a healthier way of eating. It's less time than, you know, taken away from the time you spend standing on the stove to cook something. It's less time over here. The amount of time you spend at your stove doing something, the time is cut in half using this machine. It is fantastic. You just have to make sure that you follow the instructions in the book, what it tells you what to do, what not to do. I'll also suggest that some of the recipes they give in the book, I've tried, as far as, let me say this, the time that they permit for it, it does not. You have to select the time. Cooking, like if you bake cookies in the oven, on your regular oven, we cut down that time. It's a different temperature in here, and I'm going to tell you something. Let's say this, you want to bake some chocolate chip cookies, peanut butter cookies, a cake, cinnamon rolls, whatever, in your oven. When you cook them in this machine, it tastes so much better. They're fluffier, they're healthier, they're light. In time is cut in half. I mean, in half. The cooking time is cut in half. So we really love this machine. Cooking bacon in here, you ain't got to worry about the bacon being saturated and all that grease. It's crispy. It tastes so much better. The sausages, look at this. It says add food. Let me hang my towel on my stove. Give me a minute. And the noise you hear is coming from the machine. So we got to bring this a little forward. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, and my hands are clean. All right. So what I'm going to do now is add our French fries. And you hear how hot that basket is. Listen, no oil. You don't have to worry about these fries being saturated in the stove with a skillet. Uh-oh, Lord. With a skillet full of, you know, oil. We ain't about to go through all that tonight. This is so, yeah, I've cooked hamburgers in this, honey, whatever you want to do. I've cooked steak in it. I've cooked pork chops in it. But I'll be doing more recipes on this. Remember I told you keep your little bag next to you. Let me get my, give me 1 minute so I can get that French fry and put it on top. Now, you're not supposed to use any metal utensils in here because it will scratch it up, okay? That's why I have a different pair of these that I use in here. Okay, now let me show you what I use in mine. These are the ones that I use in here, okay? Because this metal will scratch up your unit. Honey, we ain't got time. This is an expensive machine. We are not ready to do all that. No, we're not. Okay? You want to spray. And you see how I'm holding this because I don't want it to explode on me. It fell on the floor yesterday. I had to put this in the dishwasher, honey. You want to spray these really good. All right, now that we did that, just want to spray them down. Get a little bit of this sea salt. Can you all see this? Sea salt. And I'm just going to spray it on here generously. Just a little bit. Don't need much. Just like that. And voila, it's gone. It's cooking. Okay? So, I'll be back to you in 25 minutes. Okay, cousins. So, our French fries are done. It only actually took them 19 minutes to cook. Just 19 minutes. That's it. So now I'm going to take them out of the basket. I want to show you French fries. I'm going to take them out of the basket. I'm going to put them in a glass tray. Okay, got my napkins here. So I'm going to bring you guys on down to see what I'm doing. Cool. So what we're going to do is got my little tongues right here. Okay. So we're going to take them and just put them in here. And they're nice and crispy. You can hear that. The trick is, I do want to tell you guys, I stopped at 12 minutes and 22 seconds. And what I did was I stopped and opened the lid at 12 minutes and 22 seconds and sprayed some more avocado oil on it. And then I let them cook. And like I said, it only took 19 minutes to cook. Okay. So I did not need the full 26 minutes. All right. You know, Mama tell you, if you spend your money, honey, go on and get all your money out of it. So one thing about this machine, okay, and it's very dangerous, is that you have to unplug it or it'll go too hot. Because when you finish cooking in this machine and you turn it off and you leave it plugged up, it stays hot. As if you're warming something on very, very low. This machine stays hot and it will continue to get hotter and hotter. Even though the unit is off, you have to unplug this. This thing gets hot. The first time I got this, I didn't know. I thought just turning it off, it'll be okay. We smelled something burning, honey. I went to unplug this bad boy. It was solid hot at the end. And I lifted this bad baby. It was hotter than what it was supposed to have been. And I called Ninja Foodi. They said you have to turn it off and then plug it immediately after you're done. So our French fries are done. Our French fries are done. So I'm just going to scoop my machine back some. It's unplugged. Here's the plug. I do exactly what Shark Ninja tells me to do. That is who owns the company. That's who it's made by. So we just spray a little bit on here, honey. And we got us some French fries. I hot too. All right. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, cousins. Give me a thumbs up. And let me know what you think about this video. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. I'll also put a link below the video to where you can get this too. And it's on a very good website. And you can make monthly payments on this every month. Okay? I love each and every one of you. Stay safe. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. And I'll see you guys again soon. Love, Cousin Angel. Bye-bye.